More employees than ever are using their mobile devices for corporate use. This means employees access files, emails, and other content that are work-related. The importance of work and personal data is putting the pressure on the mobile phone user to back up all the necessary data. Most organizations are not providing backup for employees' mobile devices due to personal data involved. It's the personal privacy issue that has the responsibility of backing up user data to fall on the shoulder of the individual mobile user. With higher mobility and data, accessibility becomes a greater responsibility to mobile device users. Easy access to data on mobile devices will also mean that someone could come by and pick the device for their use. Luckily, most, if not all, mobile devices have some good form of data protection. But it also means a loss of data for the mobile device owner. According to a survey, a mobile device is stolen every 3.5 seconds. The chance of losing mobile devices could happen to anyone at any time and anywhere. Consider that information data on mobile devices are friends' and colleagues' contact information, precious photos, corporate files, important banking information, and so on. It is amazing that 77% of mobile device owners are storing more critical information on their mobile device than any other type of electronic device, such as laptops or computers. The need to back up mobile devices is more crucial than ever. So most people understand the importance of backing up a mobile device. But what about the chores involved? Most users would care less to exercise discipline for such a mundane job of backing up their mobile device. But the truth is, a backup should be done automatic and onto the cloud with a good level of security involved. More importantly, the user should be able to recover any lost content or restore a new mobile device within minutes of starting the recovery process. But what about checking the mobile device content from a separate mobile or desktop? Backing up a mobile device content should warrant content accessibility from other devices too. Let's not expose ourselves to the potential loss of mobile content, or more importantly, precious memories. Simply automate the process to back up at ease with just a few simple touches. Your mobile devices make your life easy and less worrisome, and so is the process to protect your mobile devices. Introducing Mobile Data Safe from Skunk Media, the only service that protects your mobile device content 24/7 and allows to restore your content to any other device, regardless of the operating system, with just the touch of a button. And with our secure web app, you can quickly and easily access and manage all your backed up content from any mobile or desktop browser at any time. Our pro-grade content security ensures that you and only you have access to your backups, and you always have a secure copy of everything on your phone, even if that device is lost or stolen. And with the unlimited space for protecting your data, you can rest assured that your mobile device content is taken care of and always within your reach. So if you're an Android or iPhone user, what are you waiting for? Sign up with us today for a free trial at www.skunkmedia.io. Yes, it's that simple. Free trial with no strings attached. You have nothing to lose, except your mobile content. Sign up for Mobile Data Safe today. Skunk Media, Data Safe, protecting your content, preserving your memories.